Oh shit. Ridiculous. Why are you still staring at me? Yo, I'm looking at this like, yo, him right here? Surely, I'm dead ass. I don't even know why you laughing, nigga. Out! Move! If you attend streaming university, you know the goddamn rules. Hit the bus. Hit the bus. Make sure that bus don't leave neither until I say so. Make sure the bus don't leave until I say so. Can you let one of them know to leave? Can you let them know to let the no bus leaving? Let them know, don't let the bus leave until I say so. The bus drivers.
Let them know, don't let the bus until he says so.
Let me meet them by the school bus. Dumbass niggas. Look at this. Oh, D being fucking heavy, right?
Come on.
Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Hit the bus.
Hey, get the backside.
Hit the fucking bus.
Watch your step.
Hit the bus. Hit the bus. Hit the goddamn bus. The goddamn bus. Congratulations! You fucking played yourself. Get on.
Get on this one.
Oh, people smoking too, right? Hey. Hey. Hey.
Right here. Nigga, move! Move, nigga! You niggas just gonna get fouled, nigga! You niggas just gonna get fouled! Turn around!
Who you?
I'm going.
Sit down. Watch out. Let me see that speaker.
Oh, shit.
See that speaker?
Oh, shit.
Fuck that speaker, nigga. Fuck that speaker. Hey. Fuck that speaker, nigga. Fuck that speaker, nigga.
I was peer pressure.
Your man's right here?
DDG.
Wait, hold on, I got you. Your man's right here? Before you even went out, he done snitched on your ass, nigga. DJ Ben knew about it, nigga. That lazy $300, nigga, I took that shit and I'm about to gift myself with that shit, nigga.
It wasn't his fault.
You invested it to me.
Don't be mad at them. It's me.
No.
We can talk about that.
No.
Move. Don't be mad. Don't be mad.
Why are you trying to duck?
Oh, now I was just some of my shit. I was not tired.
You just tried to duck?
No, Kai, I was trying to tell him, stop the partying. Get back to campus.
They keep saying we look like twins.
Trying to stop.
You asked for a student union.
Yeah, I know.
Ain't that right?
Cooking with Kaya? Evelyn? Wendy?
I'm gonna chaperone that. Fuck it. I'm not gonna stop.
Okay, sorry. Stop. No, we're not here. We're not here.
Bus driver, as soon as everybody on here, get this rolling.
Okay.
Get this rolling. Yes, ma'am.
Kai, can you please get that for my nephew?
I can't interact. Kai,
No one will be known though.
I don't want you to be mad.
hey, you threw this shit, right?
Yes.
You're the asshole who threw this shit?
Yes, because I wanted to make you proud, and you've done such a great thing here.
I thought we was bros.
We are bros. We are bros.
I'll see you tomorrow.
What do you mean?
I'll see you in my office, nigga.
What?
In my office. In my office. No, you cannot. I'm sorry. Look at these dumbasses. Look at these dumbasses. Indian Talil, is that you? Who that in the bag? Who that in the bag? Oh, that's extra Emily.
No, Dean, listen, professor.
Really?
Every professor's here.
Really?
Every professor.
Really?
Every professor's here.
Hey, it's not only us.
Put Bus DDG on. Hey, can I see your pocket?
Can I get a
Really? Really? I can't interact.
What happened? What happened? Kai Cenat, you the go for fucking with Akron, bro. You the go for putting on everybody, bro. You solid, bro.
Oh, God.
Let's load it up. Hey, where's my walkie? What's my walkie? Let's round up all these bosses. This fuck niggas getting expelled ASAP. Let's round up all these fucking bosses. I want DDG in my office ASAP. DDG, let's round up the police cars. Let's get us out of here. I want everybody in my shit. ASAP, all these niggas.
Let me in, D.
All these niggas.
Kai, come on, let me in, my boy.
We fucked up. Let's roll out.
Hey, where's the car at?
That's you. Roll out. Where the car at?
Hey, where's the car at?
Right there?
Is it that car?
You wanna go in the truck?
Yeah,
I go on that one. That's good.
Hey, get that cop car here.
Send the buses, yeah.
Hey, Book! Hey, Book! Send the buses! Send the buses!
I want to ride out too. Which car?
Come on, G. Come on, G. We're going to this car. Excuse me. Watch out. Watch out. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Send the buses. Look at them. Look at them, CB. Look at them. Whole night messed up. Load the buses.
Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. This way. This way.
The buses. I'm disappointed, man.
Yeah.
I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. Load the buses, please. Let's go for everybody. Wait for the buses to come out. We're gonna move as a unit, as a school. How we should. I'm gonna go ahead and make another website. Who wants to apply for Sherman University? I ain't never, in my 3 days of being a dean, I ain't never spoke at 12 a.m., nigga. I ain't never spoke at 12 a.m., nigga. You made the mafia wake up? You don't woke up the mafia? You don't really woke up the mafia? Really? Look at this. Look at this, CB. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, it's bad.
Yeah, look. Look at this. Yes. Yes. Make sure we in front of them. I want to see their faces when they exit the bus.
Okay, we're gonna go to the circle. Lead the